Just a few weeks ago, we had this stunning 1968 Chevelle in the studio. I got to talking to the owner and I just knew we had to make him our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Now his name is Clell Farmer and he's out of Abingdon, Virginia. Clell told me he started learning about bodywork when he was just 8 years old, hanging out in his dad's body shop. Clell made a career working on cars, and of course his hobby is working on cars, as so often is the case. And just check out Clell's collection here, a 68 Chevelle in Le Mans Blue to go along with the maroon one you've already seen. And don't forget the 66 Chevelle convertible too. And Clell's got pickups from 1963 and 1972. Both of those are works in progress. A couple of 1960 Impalas, and how about this? A 1972 Corvette convertible, red on red with factory air and a 454 under the hood. Clell says it's one of only 15 ever made. Super rare car. And this is the part I love the most. Every one of these cars is insured and tagged, and Clell drives them a lot. He is Clell Farmer, and he is our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Hey, if you love things that go, or if someone you know is a true motorhead, just send us a note at motorheadgarage.tv. Tell us why you or your friend should be our Motorhead of the Week. We're going to do this again next week. We hope you join us then. In the meantime, so long from all of us here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonFireTools.com.